Have you been running hair business for years or just started? Have you ever wondered how many payment methods you could use when buying hair wholesale internationally? I'm sure that the information in this video will help you find out more interesting and effective ones, which could boost your hair business or somehow save your money. 1. Western Union or MoneyGram. Whether you need to send money for special occasions or emergency aid to friends or loved ones, Western Union gets your cash there quickly and reliably. Best of all, you choose how to send money. The Western Union app lets you transfer funds on the go using a credit or debit card directly from the bank account or via Apple Pay. If you want to pay cash, stop in at one of many agent locations in the US. Currently, Western Union is believed to be one of the most trustworthy and popular payment methods, not only in the US, but in a lot of countries in the world. Basically, MoneyGram is no different from Western Union in terms of operation rules and money transfer operations. It is an American money transfer company based in the United States, with the headquarters in Dallas, Texas. In 2014, MoneyGram was the second largest provider of money transfers in the world. The company operates in more than 200 countries and with a global network of about 347,000 agents' offices. If cash pickup or online transfer is chosen, it takes the recipient about 1 day to get the money, while bank transfer gets you approximately 2 or 3 days. Hence, it's kind of easy for wholesale hair buyers to make payments via Western Union or MoneyGram with the fewest risks ever. 2. Bank transfer or wire transfer. Bank transfer or wire transfers is also a favorable payment method due to its safety. The bank will receive money from you and charge a transaction fee, which is a little higher than Western Union or MoneyGram. Also, the duration of the money to get into the recipient's account is longer as well, seeing that your bank needs to work with a number of banks before it reaches the seller's account, which means the money is not directly transferred to the hair company. 3. Money agent. As we all know, money agents is more popular among countries in which USD is not easy to be transferred outside, like Nigeria or Ghana. The hair companies will work with a number of agents who can receive money in that country's currency, then send money in USD or euros, or the currency of the exported country. Nevertheless, we all know that to get dollars or euros, the agents have to buy and get them from the black market and decide the amount based on the rate supplied at the black market. If you are in Nigeria or Ghana and doing hair business for long already, I believe that you all understand why the rate is higher than the banks. 4. Wire transfer. Wire transfer is also an effective payment method for you to consider, in which you can transfer money with the rate close to the banks. However, it's not a popular payment method, and it needs you to perfectly understand how this one to make transactions based on this method. 5. Relatives help. If all of the aforementioned methods don't work, try to ask your relatives in foreign countries for help. Use all of your forces. Perhaps there could be a slight chance that you could finish paying for your order. Those are 5 of the most trustworthy payment methods currently among hair businesses in particular and others in general. Hope it's informative and what you're looking for. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and contact us on the following WhatsApp number if you need help or advice.